Hello children, welcome to E-Classroom, Grade 4, Subject Maths. In the previous class, we learnt about Hindu-Arabic numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. What we use are called Hindu-Arabic numbers. In today's class, we are going to see about Roman numbers. Romans used 7 basic symbols to write Roman numbers. This system of writing is called Roman number system. Romans created this 2000 years ago, but still they are in use. You can find these Roman numbers on the faces of the clock, in the inscriptions of buildings and in books. But there is no symbol for 0 in Roman numbers. Now look at the table. The 7 basic symbols what Romans used are given here. I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Where I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500 and M for 1000. Now, to remember these 7 symbols better, let us split this into 2 groups. All the 1s in one group and all the 5s in another group. So you can remember better. See the first group, it has I, X, C, M. So you can remember better. You will not forget. I, X, C, M. Where I stands for 1, X stands for 10, C stands for 100 and M stands for 1000. And the second group contains V, L, D. Where V stands for 5, L for 50 and D for 500. Now let us see how to write Roman numbers. Before writing Roman numbers, you need to know the rules for writing Roman numbers. You have 3 important rules for writing Roman numbers. The first rule is Rule 1, Rule of Repetition. First rule is Rule of Repetition. Symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. For example, you see I, you can repeat 3 times, which means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. The same way you can repeat X also 3 times. It is not compulsory that you have to repeat the symbol 3 times. You can write even 2 times also. 2 times if you write, it means 10 plus 10, 20. The same way C also can be repeated 3 times. C plus C plus C, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. When you learn the first rule, remember what cannot be repeated also. Symbols V, L and D are never repeated. For example, see V, you cannot write 2 times and say it as 10. That is wrong. And you cannot write L 2 times and say that as 100. That is wrong. So the first rule is clear for all. Now, let us see the second rule. Second rule is Rule of Addition. If a symbol of lower value is placed after a symbol of higher value, then add the values. For example, you see here you have V. V is the symbol of higher value. After V, I have put I, which is the symbol of lower value. So here you have to add those two. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. In the next example you see, x is the symbol of higher value. After x, I have put I, the symbol of lower value. So which means you have to add the value. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Next, in the third example you see, C, the symbol of higher value. After C, I have put x, symbol of lower value, which means 100 plus 10, 110. Is the second rule clear to all? Now, let us move on to the third rule. Rule of subtraction. If a symbol of lower value is placed before a symbol of higher value, then subtract the lower value from the higher value. See the examples. See here V is the symbol of higher value. Now I have put I before V. So it becomes subtraction, minus here. That is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now you all are in grade 4. You know how this Roman number 4 comes for your grade. See the next example. X is the higher value. Before x, I have put I. So you have to subtract 10 minus 1, which equals to 9. In the same manner, C is the symbol of higher value. Before C, I have put x, the symbol of lower value. So you need to subtract here. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. When you learn this rule of subtraction, please remember these two things. I can be subtracted from V and X only. For example, V. Before V, you can put I and subtract. But you cannot put before C, I, and say this as C is 100, 100 minus 1, 99. That is wrong. I can be subtracted from V and X only. And remember this also. X can be subtracted from L and C only. For example, if L is the symbol of higher value, before L you can put X, the symbol of lower value, which means 50 minus 10 equal to 40. The same way, before C you can put X, which means 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Hope these three rules are clear for everyone. If you know these three rules, you can write any Roman number easily.
Thank you, dear children. Have a good day.